Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix Xbox app not working or not opening on PC. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what I suggest to do here is to go to settings, then go to Windows Update. And if there is an update for you that you need to download and install it on your operating system, please always do so, and then restart your computer and look if Xbox app opening or not. And the next thing what you need to do here, you need to open up Microsoft Store, go to downloads and then get updates, right? And update all apps. Also Xbox app, if there is an update, should be here, not open, but update button, and then you can just press it and update it. Also, you can go and search and then look for Xbox app, and then Xbox app will be here and it will be not open but update button. So please update your Xbox app, and then we can proceed with other steps. First of all, on search, you just need to write Microsoft Store, right click on it, app settings, then scroll down until you see reset, repair, and then press reset. Don't worry, it won't delete any of your files, just reset the app. Then what we need to do here next is to open up App Store, Xbox app, app settings, then do the same with Xbox app, repair, and then press reset, right? Reset, and wait until it finishes. And after that, the next thing what you can do here is to on search, you just need to write ws reset and then run this command, and it will refresh Microsoft Store. And if this do not work, then go to services, then click on one of the tasks here and press X, right? And then you'll have Xbox services here. So you just need to click every task one by one and make sure that startup tab is automatic and service status is running. If it stopped, hit start. If it's startup tab manual, change to automatic, right? And then you need to look one by one. As you can see here, again, make it automatic and hit start, apply, and do the same with all of them, right? And also what you can do here, you can restart every task by just pressing right click of your mouse and restart app, right? And the last thing what you can do here is to open up Windows PowerShell, right click, be sure to open up as admin, and then here we need to put few commands. So first one is this one. I believe all the commands in the video description below, so you can easily copy and paste it. And then you just need to right click on the blank space here on the header, and then go to edit, paste, hit enter, right? And then after that, you just need to restart your computer. Again, open up PowerShell as administrator, and then you need to put this command here, copy. Then you need to edit, paste, enter here, and then you'll find Gaming Services, and then you just need to reinstall Gaming Services after you restart your computer. Or simply, you can go to Xbox app, and it will, on Xbox app, it should appear as well, right? And after that, your Xbox app should open, right? So yeah, that's basically it. And if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.